How to mark all text messages as read on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. In the main screen you will view a list of all your message threads, some of which are marked with a blue dot, indicating they contain unread messages. Tap on the menu button with 3 dots in it. A small menu appears with a few options. Tap on Select Messages from this menu. The app now enters a selection mode. At the very bottom left of the screen, a new blue text link appears which says Read All. As shown, tap on it to select all of the messages. Otherwise, tap Read All once. Instantly, all the blue dots next to the unread conversations disappear, marking every single message in the app as read. The process is now complete. As you can see, the blue dots indicating unread messages have disappeared and all your messages are now marked as read. Following these steps, you can easily mark all text messages as read on an iPhone.